Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Today's date, November the 27th, 2018, I have a story that's just breaking. It seems that there was an incident on the Norwegian Escape cruise ship. In the engine room, we may have had a fire, we may have had an incident here. Two workers, one 25 years old, one 26 years old, both suffered second-degree burns that were so severe they had to be medevaced off of the ship about 24 miles offshore of Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. The cruise ship, the Escape, left New York on the 25th of November, 2 days ago, and she's scheduled to arrive today into Port Canaveral. She's on a 14-day Caribbean cruise. Here's a look at what the engine room looks like. This is a massive facility. No one knows at the moment what caused the incident, where in the engine room it happened, but two workers suffered second-degree burns over a portion of their body that was so severe that the Medevac people were brought in. The Coast Guard came in with a helicopter here, and they got them off the ship onto land. Don't know what the condition of the workers are, but they're now on shore. The ship is making her way to Port Canaveral, and I'll update you as I find out more info. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern Time. We talk cruise ships every day, Saturdays at 2 p.m., and subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified on all the latest breaking news. We love cruise ships. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye for now.